So, what are you doing today?
Riding at the track, a little track.
A little kid track?
Yeah.
For the first time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you racing someone today at the track?
Yeah. Crinkle cut, tater tot, Bobby, Bob, and then Bobby, and then Farfanagan.
That's who you're racing at the track?
Yep, and I'm...
And then it's Cole.
Yep.
Cole Calvin. Who do you think's gonna be number one?
Me.
Honest. Do you think you're ready to be number one?
Yeah.
Who's gonna be number two?
Crinkle cut.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Yeah. Crinkle cut is a pretty strong racer. Yeah.
Cool. What are you most excited about today?
Racing, and 5 is gonna be Bob.
What if what if you get there and no one shows up?
That will be good.
Nervous. Nervous? What?
There's like a ton of berms.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You think you'll be able to do it?
Yeah, there's a tabletop, whoops, little jumps. Hey, I'm gonna be ready. It's pretty cool. Hey, the sun went down.
Deal here.
What do you think, Cole?
Good.
That's it?
It's fun.
Yeah.
It looks fun.
Let me see.
Look at it looking.
There's a tabletop too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Berms.
Good. You know how to do them.
There's a big one and a really big one over there.
All right. Let's go get that. Let's go get that bike started, okay? Because remember, you got to follow the thing. It's an entrance is here, and then
Can't see you.
you exit, okay?
He can go around again, right?
Just keep going though.
And then
Entrance.
entrance, and then crinkle cut and
Bob, Bobby, Tater Tot, and Farfanagan.
And I'm gonna race Guess how Farfanagan
Hey, don't leave me hanging.
powers his bike.
How?
His farts. That's why he's named Farfanagan.
Farfanugan.
Farfanagan.
Nuggin.
There we go.
I can put the umbrella down.
Seems like he's got it pretty good. Oh, he's coming around.
He's doing pretty good. He's gonna do this
Second
next
berm.
berm.
Here we go. Leg out one.
Whoops, whoops, whoops.
Yay! He's got it. Dude. Okay.
Here comes
Their
the
berm.
turn berm.
Yeah. That's going to be a little tough because it's such a sharp turn. Tabletop.
Tabletop.
Oh.
He did it.
Oh, he's going to come right by us after this turn.
Let's see the berm.
Oh, that was nice. That was great. You know he can't hear you, right?
I don't care.
He's doing so good.
He's doing good on those whoops
Yeah.
and the berms. Let's see this. Tabletop coming up. Ooh, that's pretty good.
You could probably hit it with a little more speed
Yeah.
and get some air.
He got a bump of air. Did he get air?
Yeah.
He went sideways. Yeah.
I I think he was going like squiggly on the roof.
Hey guys, there were some big rocks here. You didn't see them?
They were running. There's some big ones over there.
Coley, the ambulance is coming for you.
Do I need to walk? Is that the only rocks you've seen? Guys, those are...
You all right?
Yeah.
Let me take your helmet off so you can breathe a little easier.
Sure.
Is it hurting?
Yeah.
Took a big spill, bud. That was your first kind of big spill. Your second one.
Yeah.
Checking for any other big rocks.
Make sure you're coming up through here, okay, Cole?
Huh?
On the berm.
You look like the Terminator right now.
Thank you.
They're so ugly.
Well, they work. Mine are all scratched up.
They
Like,
look fine
right
on
now,
Cole, but on you, they
like
look
when
like
if
Terminator.
I tried to read the sign right there, the one-way sign, I would not know what it was because they're blurred right here because of
touching it?
no, because of all the scratches on my glasses.
Oh, on yours.
Yeah. I'd be like, what does that say?
I can bend my knee.
Where is that?
All right,
guy?
you impressed. Here it goes. You can see like part of my knee like bulging out of the knee.
Yeah, it's kind of
Disgusting.
yeah, a little bit. He didn't give you a thumbs up. You were denied.
Listen.
Rejected.
Listen, Terminator.
You guys still wanting to do it?
Can I go next?
Here's your gloves, baby doll. No, you can go below them.
That's what I'm gonna do.
You're not gonna make it over those hills.
She's just learning the track though too.
But no, I can just tell though.
Well, and she hasn't rode in forever.
She looks nervous. I can see it.
Hey, you need to be watching your sister and giving her support.
She was watching you.
Yep, she's your like #1 cheerleader. You run around clapping. Oh, Terry. Just remember, you have ripped jeans.
Which means ripped knees.
Yeah, you already got one that looks like
Bad.
meat cleavers in it.
How was it?
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
What was your favorite part?
Going over these.
How do I look?
What, the whole track?
Ow! Gosh! What in the world?
Oh, the little bumps.
I'm gonna like tuck
The
my
little
hair in or
whoopty-whoops.
something because I don't want to.
How was it again?
Awesome.
Yeah?
I loved the birds and the woods. I loved everything.
Cool.
I'm only gonna ride a couple laps. 'Cause
How fast was I going?
Hang on.
Can I have the... She got stuck on the first one. The first one is the hardest. Can I have this?
Needs more gas.
Yeah. She's just learning the track.
It's like floored right there. She has to use the straightaways to her advantage to gain speed to get to the next.
Just
Okay, come on, Cole.
What did you say?
the only thing that truly feels comfortable is that hill and that berm and maybe these bumps.
The
You just need a
tabletop?
bigger bike load.
The tabletop
It'll be a little
too.
bit better when we get the 80.
So what'd you think?
I don't like it. I like riding in the woods more. It's just, it's
Do you think if you had a bigger bike?
Maybe, but because I could go slower, but like I still wouldn't like it as much as riding in the woods.
Because it's flat.
Yeah, it's flat and you don't have to worry about having to hit the throttle all the way to be able to go on hills.
It's not risky.
It's, yeah, I can just ride and not worry about anything. Cole wants to race professionally, like he wants to be able to compete. And that's why he's going faster and hitting these jumps and catching air. But I just want to cruise. Like I'm not wanting to do that. I'm just riding for fun, not
Like Grandma's Day Out?
yeah, like Grandma.
Did you see me over there? I got a little air.
Ooh, yeah, you kept slamming the back into the bike.
I'm
No,
trying to.
No, you were slamming it. I could hear it going. Doof. But what'd you think?
Good.
Second run? Better than the first?
Yeah. Did you caught me up there?
I think so. I caught you everywhere. I'm your biggest fan, dude.
I got some air.
He cares. He does not care.
Pass me.
What?
I'm just trying to go as slow as the butterflies so I can fly right next, so I can ride right next to them.
What?
On the loop, I was like, the last lap. She's doing so good. Then the crowd cheers her on.
So what advice would you give someone going on the track for the first time?
I don't know. I don't know what advice is.
Advice is like a tip, like a tip you could give them. You're about to go ride on your first track. This is what you need to know.
Yeah.
What do you think they need to know?
About me doing the whoops.
About you doing the what?
I've got one.
Going over there, jumping.
No, like a tip that they could, like something that would be helpful. What do you think would be helpful for them to know for their first time?
Just being safe.
There you go.
I've got one.
Be safe, wear your protection, and go slow for the first couple laps.
And then
hit it.
and then hit it. Yeah.
What?
Don't do it when you're 12 years old on a 50. It's not fun.